You ever had to boss up on somebody's pet? Like, I'm sick of somebody's pet just trying to debo you. I'm about to boss up on this dude's. About to boss up on this. You ever had to just boss up on somebody's pet that always try to bully you when you come over? See, you ever had to boss up on somebody's pet that like always try to bully you when you come? Woo. Woo. Yeah, you ever had to boss up on somebody's pet? Like, yo, look, I promise you I'm not gonna be playing no games with somebody's pet today. I'm too tired for this. I swear this is the thuggest cat in the world, I promise. Woo. You ever had, oh, you ever, I promise you, I ain't playing today with nobody pet, bruh. LaMarcus, y'all better come get y'all cat. I ain't. You ever, this cat don't even belong to nobody, man. I ain't gonna be. Not today. Not today. I'll get a rock. I'll skip a rock at this.